Latest on the pandemic, more than half of the U.S. population is now living in a county with high or medium community risk level for COVID-19. That's according to the CDC. And this comes as a vaccine for kids under the age of 5 could be available as soon as June 21st. Infectious disease specialist at South Shore Health, Dr. Simone Wilds, joins me now with more on all of this. Doctor, thanks so much for taking the time. 55% of Americans are living in an area where there is continuous spread. Can we expect to see this go through the summer as people, plan their summer vacations?
Well, it's a really great question. Unfortunately, we're seeing a significant number of cases now. And I do think that as the summer rolls in, there's going to be more people outdoors, really trying to enjoy the great weather. And I think we really will expect to see more cases. Key thing is I want to encourage those who have not yet been vaccinated or boosted to try to do so before the summer gets here because, we want to keep everyone healthy and well and keep the numbers as low as possible.
Even though many East Coast states like New Jersey, New York have seen some decline in COVID cases, the CDC says those states still lead the nation in new cases per capita. So first question is, should people there be worried about that? And should these states maybe reconsider bringing back some COVID measures?
Absolutely. Really good news to see that the cases have been decreasing in the northeastern states. But I will say that's where it started. So the rest of the country is seeing what the northeastern states had to deal with. I would say that as the numbers are higher, people really need to consider wearing masks in indoor spaces. We want to protect ourselves, and we also want to encourage people to get tested if they're not feeling well.
Dr. Wild, kids under 5 could soon get that vaccine, but there are still many steps both Pfizer and Moderna have to go through before they're authorized, right? So what's next?
So we really now have to wait. They're going to be meeting soon. The FDA going to meet, review all the data, and then CDC has to sign off on it. I think, parents at least should be encouraged that, hopefully by June 21st, we will have clearance so that their children less than 6 months to less than 4 can get the vaccine. In the meantime, just continue to do the precautions you would normally take for your children. Encourage them to wear masks if there is a concern that they're in places where a COVID risk is high. And again, just monitor them closely as they engage with their friends in all their activities.
So, Doctor, I live in one of those states that we were talking about, highest per capita in the country. Virtually everyone I know in some aspect of my life has COVID right now or has had it in the past several weeks. Is this where we're headed? Is most of the country going to get COVID at some point? And then when will we be in an endemic phase?
A really phenomenal question. I think right now, those who didn't get COVID in the first wave, first, second, third wave are probably going to end up getting it now. I would say, just take the precautions. Again, if you are in those counties where the risk is medium to high, just wear your mask. If you're sick, make sure you get some help.
All right, that is good advice. Talk to your doctor immediately. From a doctor, Dr. Simone Wilds, thanks so much for taking the time. We really do appreciate it.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.